Oh, hello again and welcome to the VK6CS Fun with Amateur Radio channel. Now, it's beginning to look an awful lot like I'm going to have a centrifugal blower, a snail blower on my GS35. I'm going to try one more thing. I don't have the fans at the moment to try it, but I'm going to try one more thing, and if that doesn't work then I'll just have to go and get myself a centrifugal blower. Now, because of the size of the amplifier, I didn't really want the centrifugal blower protruding from the back. Now, that means mounting it inside. Now, until I actually get one, I don't know whether I'm going to be able to mount it inside or whether it's going to have to go on the back. But I've seen some commercial designs where they have the centrifugal fan, the centrifugal blower in the PA compartment. And I thought, I wonder if that airflow going through air-spaced capacitors would change the value. Now, just out of curiosity, I thought, well, I've got this little gadget that I made, which is a capacitance inductance meter. Got a fan, got a variable capacitor, so why not just try it and see what happens. Okay, so let's try it and see what happens. I've opened this is a 1200 puff capacitor. I thought it was 1000, but when I measured it, it's a 1200. I've adjusted it as close as I can get it to 1000 picofarads, and it's 1008 picofarads, 1009 picofarads. Just teetering on the edge between the two. I'll start the fan. So I'm blowing a reasonable amount of air through the capacitor. You can probably hear the fan running. And let's zoom in on that meter. There we go. 1009 picofarads. Now I'll just turn the fan off. And it makes no difference whatsoever. So I know that I can have, if the snail blower will fit in my PA compartment, I can have quite a lot of air turbulence inside there going through the airspace capacitors, and it's not going to bother the tuning even slightly. Yeah, I was going to say I'll just adjust the capacitor, but it's not very easy for me to do that. I mean, I could do it with my fingers. Probably won't do too much to the loading up my little meter, but I'll just put that down so it's fully meshed. There you go, and that's gone up to what, 1254 picofarads. So that's going to do fine as a load capacitor. Actually, I wonder what the minimum on that is while I'm here and while I'm doing that. Let's just open it to the max or to the min, depending on. Oh, okay. So the minimum capacitance I've got there is 44.2 picofarads. That's with it completely unmeshed. Let's go out. Let's get the tripod repositioned. There we go. And that's with it. As you can see, that's with the capacitor there. That's fully unmeshed. That capacitor fully unmeshed, and that's 44.2 picofarads. And with it fully meshed, that's was it 1200? I think. Yeah, 1252 picofarads. There we go. Might be in a slightly different position to what it was before. But, as you can see, air turbulence in the PA compartment caused by a centrifugal blower isn't going to make any difference to the tuning whatsoever. So that's comforting to know. Okay. Hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.